CSV files are everywhere in data exchange, from spreadsheets to data exports to system integrations. C# makes reading and writing CSVs straightforward whether you want to parse manually or use dedicated libraries. Read the CSV files by splitting lines with split method, which is going to split each line into an array of values. Write CSV files by using the CsvHelper and then join values with commas. Libraries like the CsvHelper simplify the complex CSV scenarios by mapping directly to objects, handling headers automatically, dealing with quoted fields, and managing malformed data gracefully. Use this line for robust parsing with minimal code. Handle edge cases carefully, including quoted fields with commas inside. Validate data during parsing and use try-catch blocks for robust CSV processing in production environments where data quality differs.